Imagine this. You finally move into your new home, surrounded by excitement, fresh energy, and big dreams. You open your first box, expecting to see your favorite glass set, the one you've had for years. But instead, you find shattered pieces. Your heart sinks. The joy of moving turns into panic and regret in seconds. This is the nightmare no one wants to experience during a move. But what if I told you that, with just a few smart tricks, you could protect every fragile item like a pro, without stress, without fear, and without spending tons of money? Stay with me till the end, because today we're unlocking the ultimate guide to packing fragile items safely, and your precious belongings will thank you for it. Before we dive in, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more life-saving hacks like this. Now, let's begin. Understanding why fragile items break during moves. Most fragile items don't break because movers are careless. They break because they're packed poorly. Things shift inside boxes, bump into each other, absorb shock from movement, and suffer from pressure during stacking. Understanding this helps you change one important mindset. Your goal isn't just to pack fragile items. Your goal is to stabilize them. When nothing moves, nothing breaks. Simple, but powerful. Choosing the right packing materials. Let's talk about materials. You don't need expensive tools, but you do need the right ones. Thick cardboard boxes, bubble wrap, microfiber cloths, packing paper, foam sheets, towels, blankets. These are your best friends. Avoid newspapers because the ink can stain items. Double layer your most delicate pieces with bubble wrap, and always have tape nearby. Think of packing materials as a security shield. The stronger the shield, the safer your valuables. The power of double boxing if something is truly precious, like crystal glasses, fine china, decorative statues, or heirloom dishes. Don't risk it with a single box. Use the double boxing method. First, wrap the item securely and place it in a smaller box with cushioning around it. Then, put that box inside a slightly larger one, filling any empty space with padding. This creates a shock-absorbing barrier that protects your items from impact, pressure, and vibration during transport. Wrap smart, not just tight. Here's where most people go wrong. They either wrap too loosely or too tightly. You want your wrapping to cushion, not squeeze. Filling empty spaces. The golden rule. Empty space in a box is your enemy. If things can move, they will move. And moving means damage. So fill every gap. Use socks, towels, cloths, packing peanuts, or crushed paper. Clear instructions prevent careless mistakes. Separate fragile items. Wisely, never pack different types of fragile items together. Glassware with plates? No. Ceramics with electronics? Big mistake. Separate by type, size, and material. Heavy items always go at the bottom, lighter ones on top. Try to keep similar shapes together so they stack safely. This prevents pressure damage and reduces the chance of cracking or collision inside the box. The emotional relief of doing it right. There's something deeply satisfying about opening your fragile boxes and finding everything safe, complete, and untouched. It's a moment of relief, of victory, and proof that your effort was worth it. Moving is emotional. It's not just things you're transporting. It's memories, gifts, sentimental pieces, parts of your life. So next time you move, don't leave your fragile belongings to luck. Use smart wrapping, strong materials, double boxing, tight cushioning, clear labels, and thoughtful loading. These steps may seem small, but they save heartache, money, and precious memories. If this helped you feel more confident about packing fragile items, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more helpful home hacks, moving tips, and life-simplifying guides. Share this with anyone planning a move. They'll thank you later.